Alright, got me an early start this morning. I've got driver's side done. This hole here, got to make a cover for the brake fluid. Gear shift to be here. Over there, low and high range. I got that passenger side done. Got the kick plate. Got the kick plate in this one. And let's see. Looking at the front from underneath, there's the well or whatever you call it. I've got a hole here to do underneath the accelerator pedal, and a little hole over here where this kick plate and that tunnel plate all meet. And I'll be well on the way to getting this thing back on the chassis. And we gotta clean and prep the wheels here, taking a break from welding. So here we go. They were kind of clean, kind of prepped. Some rattle can Rust-Oleum. And giving it a shot. Oh. Paint it. It'll wear off. Yes. I realize preparation is the main part of paint. Today, whatever. Voila. There you have it. Okay, welcome back as we continue with part 2. Today I've got this storage compartment that goes under the seat. Of course, it's completely gone, nothing but the lid really. But I think I'm gonna put it here in this spot on the passenger side. I kind of got it all welded together. So I'm going to do some fitting, get that in there, and see what I can do with it. Stand by. Don't try it at home, all I can say. Alright, well, if you'd have seen me, it wasn't as easy as it looked by yourself. But I've got it sitting on there. I've got to do some spacing, put some bushings underneath it, because right in here, where the clutch pedal, I left too much metal there, and it's hitting. I think you can probably see. I've got to cut that. Same thing over here. on the brake pedal. Get in here. It's hitting. I've got to trim some of that metal and get it side to side, and then I want to mark what I've got to do and put my hat channels under here, because I'm not going to just put rubber bushings on the floor. No, I got to get it centered. That turned out pretty fair. Boy, it's close right here on the inside, but it's not touching. I may have to scoot the body to the left a little, but I'm pretty well centered here on this clutch pedal where it goes through that hole. I just got it stuck in there. And the brake, I'll see what it does. But access for the brake fluid is good. I'm getting closer. Gotta go take a break though. It's hotter than blazes out here.